channel, your Instagram.
ijosebk.
Y'all make sure y'all give him a follow, man, because he is letting me do a review on his Ben & Jerry's that he actually caught on his wife's phone, right?
Yep.
And it's crazy, man. I took L's. I'm pretty sure y'all took an L. And these shoes are actually pretty good, man. As y'all can see, still DS. Show y'all the other shoe. Would have been cool if I knew somebody that hit on the special box packaging.
Oh yeah.
But as y'all can see, it do come in this colorful box. He hit on the size 8.5. Got the barcode right there, QR code right there, and then the box price for these was $100. Y'all know SB paper. But taking a look at these, as y'all can see, they went all out for these. See the cloud right there on the heel. Material on these. See the background that they use on the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And then you also got this dripping gold Nike logo on the back. Then you got the tie-dye print all on the inside. And it does come with both of these shoestrings, one green and one gold, and then the standard shoestrings is white. On the inside, it says Ben & Jerry's times Nike SB. And on the left shoe, it also says the same thing. Then on the tongue, it says Nike SB Chunky Dunkies, which they do not have a flavor named Chunky Dunky. I think it's Chunky Monkey, right?
Yeah.
Chunky Monkey. Then behind the tongue, you do have Ben & Jerry's, if not fly. Oh, if it's not fun, why not? Why do it? Made in Vietnam. Then I know it's people it's gonna be questioning, so here go that. Got the size tag. Overall, this is not a bad shoe, man. You keeping these, or what you doing with these?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to them for now.
It's not bad. It's crazy that these things going for what, 1.5 now, but on the release day they was going for like 2K.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, everybody was asking me how much. I was like 2K. Another one, 2K. So I'm just out there for that right now.
Highest offer.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Look, I need everybody to go follow ijosebk on IG, man. He let me do a review on these Ben & Jerry's that y'all saw earlier. So make sure y'all go follow him. Let's get him to 500 followers. Make sure you guys also hit the subscribe button, the little red button at the bottom of the screen. Let's get to 1K, man. Get me to 1K subscribers, man.